Welcome to Interview Talks.
Hello guys, I want to share my Gen Z Next interview experience. It's a bit lengthy interview, so interviewer actually want you to be feel comfortable. And in my case, he asked me, "Have you taken your tea?" As it's of a evening time, my interview is conducted. He asked me that question, so he want you to be feel comfortable. If you handle your pressure, it's of a better the success of cracking of an interview. And the question he asked me is that a program to write a triangle means he will give us a three sides and we need to say which triangle is it. Yes, people think that it's the easiest question, but there are some cases where giving out of three sides we fail to find it out. For example, if we give any of our input as 0 or either of our input as a 0, in that case it's actually not a triangle but computer takes a is a input. And another case of where a plus b is equal to c means sum of two sides is equal to third side, it's not actually a triangle, it's a line. So these are some cases and he asked me to predict even more cases. And after letting me think even more, so he shut down that program and he want me to do some aptitude stuff. So he asked me a question on this compound interest, and it's a bit easy question, not much tough, a simple formula. But he want you to do calculations without even means it's like a mind calculation. See, you are under a pressure. Even a simple problem looks like a hell for you. After completing of that program, he asked me a problem, a real life situation where I want to explain to you guys. It's of a you will be given a 5 liter container, 3 liter container, empty containers. There are no measurements on it, and I want exactly 4 liters of water onto this 5 liter container. And hope you guys will find it out. And this problem need to be solved in that pressure where you feel like time is running up. You're wasting your time by thinking of why am I taking this much of time, but you need to keep calm your mind and you need to think for the solution and you guys can do it. After completion of this problem, and he find and search my talents where he asked about that data structures. The point is that I raised a point while introducing myself that I taken a data structure selective over my DSD elective in ECE. So he raised a question that, so you're interested in data structures, so let me ask you about this linked list. And he started asking me on that points. Means I let the interviewer to ask the questions on data structures by stressing out the point while introducing myself. So maximum you try to control the interview means focus your means stress your strengths, and so the interviewer will ask you about it and crack that interview. So after completing of that, he tried to give me much questions about this linked list means how to add an element, how to remove an element, and he asked me a question. I don't know why he asked this. It's a bit easy question. What are the disadvantages of this array? I think it's an easy question. I don't know why he asked me. Uh, this is the stuff. He asked me just a program and what my strength of data structures. He tried to elaborate it and he gave me much problems on the data structures, and he saw how I am handling that my strengths is like a data structures. After completing of it, a real-time problem, one aptitude problem, that's it. This took nearly a 1 hour of time, and really what I'm saying is that it's a lengthy interview. The better you handle your pressure, the more chances of cracking the interview. Thank you guys, good luck.